If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, find the value of 1 divided by alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared. Very good. Before we do anything, let's simplify this 1 over alpha squared plus 1 over beta squared. Good. Now, when adding fractions, you first and foremost look for the LCM. So the LCM of alpha square and beta square is the same as what? Alpha square beta what? Square. Very good. Alpha square in alpha square beta square will give us what? Beta square. Good. Plus beta square in alpha square beta square will give us what? Alpha square. Alpha square times 1 will give us alpha square. Very good. With the law of commutativity, this alpha square plus this beta square plus alpha square is the same as alpha square plus beta square, everything divided by alpha square beta square. Very correct. Now, according to quadratic root identity, alpha square plus beta square is the same as alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Very good. Everything divided by alpha. This can also be written as alpha beta square. Yes, according to one of the laws of indices, AB square is the same as A square B square. Very interesting. Good. We need to get this value. We call it sum of roots because alpha is a root, beta is also root. We need to also get here product of a root. Good. Now, what is sum of root and product of root? Sum of root alpha plus beta is the same as what? Minus b over a. Good. And product of roots alpha beta is the same as what? C over a. How come of BAC? How come of b over a, c over a? Very good. Now, b is what? Consider or recall the general form of quadratic equation bx plus c is equal to 0. So A is always the coefficient of the unknown with the highest power. Good. And B is the coefficient of the unknown with the power of 1. And C is what? Constant. Now go to the given equation. The given equation is what? X squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Good. Here, the coefficient of x squared, which is denoted by a, is what here? A is equal to 1. Very good. B, that is the coefficient of x according to this question. B is also what? 1. And C is what? C is minus 2. Very good. So, sum of roots now minus b over a will give us sum of root minus b over a. What is b? 1. That will be minus 1 over 1. And this is what? Because a is also what? 1. And this is minus 1. Good. Then product of root alpha beta, which is c over a. And what is c? C is minus 2. And what is a? 1. This will give us minus 2. Very interesting. Now what next? Slot them in the what? In the equation. What is the equation here? Equation is alpha plus beta. Let me use this small place. We got the sum alpha plus beta as minus 1. So I have minus 1. I have minus 1 square. Very good. Minus 2 into what is the product? The product is minus 2. The product here is minus 2. That will be minus 2 into alpha beta, which is also minus 2. Everything divided by product is minus 2 raised to power 2. Very interesting. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4, plus 4 divided by 4. Minus 2 square is 4. So answer will be what? 5 divided by 4, which is also the same as 1 whole number 1 over 4. Thank you so much.